I'm Addison Miller. I'm a member of the Screech Team here at BGSU. Each Tuesday in the Union Oval, we have a different event called Why Not Tuesday. We've done things from axe throwing to cornhole to mini golf. This week we have a box with some interesting items on the inside where people are to put their hands in and guess what's inside the box for a prize. We do this to get students engaged on campus and have a little bit of fun during these last few months on campus. We're going to keep doing this out here. We encourage students to come and try these events. It gives them a little bit of something to do on campus and gives them items to promote and also wear or take with them. We have bandanas, we have hand sanitizers, t-shirts, all kinds of things. And it's just a fun way to get students involved and experience new things.